Good morning to all the respected teachers, worthy opponents, and my dear friends. Today, we all know that the daily life struggle of a student. A student carries backpack full of 10 to 20 books and copies to up to the stairs daily and faces a brutal kind of back pain. So that is the daily struggle that we are aware of. Now, what if I say you that you can carry the same amount of knowledge in your backpack with the weight of just one book? That's the ebook, which is my topic in this debate. Today, I proudly stand in front of you all, representing ebooks in front of my opponent's opinion on hard books.
Pastor Jay.
A very good morning to our respected teachers. This is Jay Preeti from Standard 12, and today I am favoring paper book over e-books. And I believe that paper books are far more better than e-books, because nowadays the most important and concern of our parents that how much time their child is spending on screen by using mobile phones and tabs. And where expert says that using physical activities are required for proper functioning of a brain. And I believe that paper books gives you focused study free from distraction of notification. That's all.
Any points from your side? Yes, Jay. Vandana?
As my friends say that most of the students are disturbed by using e-book or phone mobile. But what I'm trying to say that there is an option to not disturb, which helps to reduce the distraction from it.
Okay, so I acknowledge your point that you are saying that what the temptation in the minds of a student's brain that they have to open the website or browser when the notification pops up.
But if you want the not disturb the option, then there is not any chance to avoid distraction notification.
We are not talking about that you will keep your phone in airplane mode or anything else, but we are talking about the human temptation. Do you understand the word temptation? Okay, then please sit down.
Just explain her.
Let her clear. Explain.
Okay, so temptation means you are currently waiting for something. For example, notification push up that your parcel has shipped. But अपने phone
As I already said that if you want the not disturb the option, then there will not be any notification that will appear on your screen.
I understand your point, but the mind of a student is always a distracted mind, and the teachers physically try to keep the mind focused.
Yes.
There are specific type of ebooks available in the market which are specifically designed so that the student is only doing studies. The ebook does not contain any other social media app or any other type of notifications do not pop up during the studies.
Okay, so the ebooks of specific type you are talking about that are not cost friendly to the unprivileged children in most part of our countries.
Then at that point of view, the books of better applications are not also cost friendly to the unprivileged children.
No, this is a popular overrated assumption that ebooks are far more cheaper than paper books, which is absolutely false when it comes to ownership and overall academic system.
You are saying that
Not more than that.
you are saying that you are getting the ownership of US. You are basically trying to say that when we buy an ebook, we get license for that. So by that matter, you are not also permanently owning the book. When a natural calamity will come, then what will happen to those books? Your years of knowledge, your years of hard work are going to get destroyed in just one calamity. Yeah, like the recent examples of floods in Assam. There is a video of a girl whose entire years of knowledge, her entire years of struggle which she was doing and all the preparations she has done, they all were in the form of hard books that they all got destroyed in a single flood. What the
Okay, so I would like to correct these. You can't carry the gadgets like mobile phones, tablets. How can you acquire knowledge without ebooks?
You are saying that we cannot carry our gadgets in natural disaster prone areas, but that's half that we can carry them. And if we have downloaded our study materials on ebooks, then we can get them anytime we want.
Okay, suppose Assam is flooded. Everything is flowing on the stream and like that. Everything is flooded.
Raise your voice, Africa. Louder.
Books are not available for them. Then you are saying. But also the gadgets, the mobile phones, computers, etc. are not available there. What about that?
So I hope that you will realize the fact that we are getting this news only through the gadgets you are naming right now. So they are available there in some kind of.
Those gadgets are not from that area. They are going to area of the various portals and
The designated ebooks are also waterproof and they are more resistant to survive water as compared to hard books.
Ajay. Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
so you were saying that we are getting the knowledge about the floats and many more things by ebooks. First of all, I would like to address that cameras are used and the cameras give information to the TV, which is now comes in ebook.
I know that that's not. She was targeting gadgets. I just said her.
Like that, it's in ebook.
So she said. I also said that designated ebooks are more waterproof as compared to hard books, and they are more secure in terms of water calamities. The calamities are
As
caused
I
by water.
earlier said that they are not cross-friendly to unprivileged children.
The books are also not cost friendly to the
That's a
unprivileged
false
children.
assumption. When you buy a book, you totally own it. But when you are buying a e-book, you own it for a temporary time.
But the point is how many books you have to buy. You are going to buy, you are saying that a gadget, just assume that a gadget is costing you 20,000, 30,000 rupees. And you are saying that they are not common. Yes, they are expensive. But what about the 30 to 40 books which you have to buy when you have to study for the competition like exams like the NEET or JEE preparation?
Okay, so first of all, I would like to address the problem.
Well,
I
ask
was
this to you.
चालीस हो जा रहा है
Yes.
Then what will you do to buy a lot of? What will you do if you want to read some particular book? Then what will you do to buy a lot of books?
So, what are you trying to say in this?
I want to say that if you have started to read some special kind of book, just like one book, then you are saying that we can use it for a lot of books. Then what will you? How will you use you for many?
first. Files can be corrupted, deleted, or locked behind the dead cloud subscription. But in those
Sit down.
textbooks, hard copies remains constant, remains stable for years.
You are saying that files can be
You
deleted.
once buy a gadget or you once buy a husband, but books are stable for many years. But gadget can be corrupted, gadget can be destroyed, damaged.
You are saying that once it is deleted, I have lost it forever. But that's not important in today's time because
No, you can't deny it.
no, that's not true because the apps which we are using on ebooks provide a better cloud storage. And
Yes.
as long as a user has their password and all the necessary information required to get that ebook, they can re-achieve that ebook through the cloud storage.
Yes. Please sit down. Deepika.
As you were saying that files might be deleted and internal due to cloud reasons. So why not, if all the files are deleted, then why can't we download once again? If anything like you want to read from a specific file and you are saying that it will get deleted, then it has also option to download it once again. And it is also easy. And the next point that you were saying that hardbook is good, then if the hardbook got wet due to some reason like flood or rain, then all your information will get vanished. But in ebooks you can also download from sources you want to study.
Firstly, you said that ebook can be downloaded again. How many times will you download that?
Then you see that not all the time of files
I am not
will
looking at it. Please wait for a while. Secondly, I would like
एक
to
साथ
see
नहीं आ रहा।
books if they are
सर
read. and you can get it from
ऐसा तो थोड़ा आगे आगे
books
हमें स्क्रीन में आ जाएंगे
books are good and there is always a gear around us. There is always an option of growing dry. We have option of it.
Then what happens if all the ink got soaked and got it split all around the river. As you were saying that all the books will get smoked,
Right.
right from the any source of wind or
Yes.
sun.
And lights.
Sun. But if your ink got split all over the book, then how can you dry that from that type of source? Like Shreyas, it happened to Shreyas. His all the notebooks has got wet from the train. But he had his tablet, so he can study easily from his tablet, and anything you want to search from that. Then how can he dry all these important notes that he had made?
And if there is technical issue or technical glitch in the tablet, you have to spend some money to repair it.
It also requires for books also that if your books also get tired, here you
Wrong. Yes. Yes, yes.
And we can see a book in 1826 can be read now after 200 of years, but an e-book which can be invented in 2006 cannot be used with the file format, DRM structures, as you can see.
Yes.
Ma'am, my opponent says that e-books are used from traditional. I want to say that we use letters instead of emails in our pastime and in our traditional time. So I want to ask why just we moved from letter to email. My question is that why we are moved from letter to email, because we want modernization, so we can also move from hard book to e-book because it is a better choice of learning.
Manually to digitalization.
Yeah, it's a better choice for learning.
If you have stored your e-book in your device and its file format is very old, then how will you access in present time?
Ma'am, my opponents are just blaming tablets, mobile phone, gadgets for e-books. Ma'am, I want to clear the one thing is that gadgets are not for only e-book purpose. They have many several uses, and you are not going to purchase e-book a tablet or laptop just for one purpose. You have many purposes. So you can't blame anything for anything else.
A e-book has a file format. Are you agree or not?
Yeah, I'm agree with it.
It is like PDF, JPG or anything else. I am saying that if the file format is old, then how will you access it?
Nowadays, you are getting so many extensions for the website. You can go now. Links are getting updated every time when you search for a particular book. Then it doesn't mean that your file always gets full. You can also download from the new files, new extensions.
Okay, so you are saying that we can download the files again, but what if we want to lend our file or the same content to our friend or a child who is unable to get the e-books facilities? Okay, so if you want to give the same content in future generation, if the software updation, if the same content is not available, then what will you do?
Then if the same content is not available, then it's advanced version.
Okay, so it requires a lot of money.
No, if you can buy that ebook in one time, then it doesn't require new book. Because if you buy so many books, then it requires so costs. But if you get that ebook in one time, then your all the monies are secured in that.
No, you are absolutely saying a false point. that if you are buying an e-book, you are not owning it for a permanently. Due to software upgradation, the remote files are available in the market, and the publisher can remotely control or modify that file anytime, and can close your access anytime.
We all know that NCERT updates their syllabus almost every year, and we know that the updation comes through a digital process. And though NCERT cannot print all the books in the new format in a single year, so we are not going to get all the things in just a span of one year of time. But through an ebook of the NCERT, which is available on the internet easily, you can get the new syllabus or the new information which are given in the new book, and you don't need the excess syllabus which is written in the hard book from previous times.
Which you are talking about NCERT syllabus, so the students are nowadays, you can ask any student, is distracted or is in depression, that what to choose, what to study, if this internet website is against something else, this website is against something else, what to follow, they are not respecting their teachers, they think that no, they are old fashioned, they will suggest manners are not there, and e-books can never teach you morals, ethics, which you can read physically.
Books are also not only about morals or ethics. First point is that, and the second point which you have said that about the all the respect which the students are going to give to teachers. That is not the fault of an e-book. That is the behavior of the student itself. And the third point, the first point which you said was like the e-book is distracting people. No, it is giving more choices to the student, because the student now can access the student can access from which type of the teacher he wants to learn, and he can also access about what language is going to be he is comfortable with, and ebook provides him that kind of specific language.
And in the days,
Shreyas will not answer anymore. Bills.
As Shreyas was saying that if NCERT syllabus was altered, then how will you access that altered syllabus? Then I am saying that you does not provide you the permanent ownership, as it can be any time altered, revoked, and changed. But that is not we are looking at. That is not possible in the book hard book. A publisher cannot revoke, change, and alter the information stored in the book.
First, I would like to tell an example of mine how English has been. Ma'am, I am English fan of mangas which are only available in Japan. Also, they are only written in Japanese language. So, I am Indian. I cannot understand Japanese. But with the help of e-books, I got two copies. First, I can download that mangas in India, and second, I can through e-books provide translated version of them. Also, I will take another example. My father is a farmer, okay, and there is a book for farmers which are only available in the English language. So, but he needs tips to do farming well. So, what he has done that he downloaded translated version of that English book in Hindi language and read it and gain the knowledge of better organic farming.
As we can see, many English books or other language books have also translated books in other languages.
Only famous books.
Only famous books. Okay, only famous books have translation, but as we can see in previous times, translation are not only by the gadgets or e-book, they can previously done by hands and manually by people.
Ma'am, it takes a lot of time and money that the people translate their books takes a lot of charges. This increase the cost of books. Also, it's a time-taking process.
But it is the foundation of your ebook. That printing is foundation of your ebook that you have stored in the ebook and using till now.
We are humans and we have to develop from our past. There are a lot of activities in the past that our ancestors do, like Sati Patha, but we develop from that. We gain, we always try to improve ourselves. And we talk about books, you know, they are made of trees, and for making this, there are large program of for making books. There is a lot. For making books, there is a large program of trees, which increases the climate and global warming. Okay, and
As this is that hard to submit from the papers, which is the one side of the story that papers are made from the forest trees, which are sustainably managed, and trees are being planted again. And electronic e-books are also needed electricity to produce by raw materials which was environmental
various solar energy, wind energy, which are eco-friendly and which generate electricity. So they are not harming our environment, and that's the thing we can use for the charging our vehicles.
but it not depending on some of the energy sources.
Past years, our government introduced a scheme for integrating wind energy investment, which are giving us more electricity. And we are slowly developing, and one day we can completely get away from the coal, and we can completely switch on solar energy and wind energy, and we can get healthy electricity, which cannot pollute our environment.
Modern ways of producing electricity cannot replace the old ones, and the energy costs for producing electricity is also higher.
Okay.
Wealth of a house is only measured by the amount of books it holds. And I think it is true because in India, most of us believe that knowledge is wealth. And to be considered in India, books are bought. It is actually a pride that we are proud to decorate our house with book. Not for decoration purpose only, but yeah, it feels like someone becoming someone profound.
Source of inspiration.
Today, in today's debate, my opponents were trying to gain a moral high ground in terms of eco-friendliness and user-friendly uses of hard books, but that is only one side of the story. E-books provides various type of special features for specially abled students. That is the main point, that hard books are traditionally not designed for the students who cannot hear anything, who cannot see anything. But for them, e-books provide a special type of tools, and they provide special care for those type of students. And
Moving around,
There is a special of teachers also.
ma'am, the second thing is that she said that e-books, there is a tradition in India, so we cannot live in the past because the basic thing of human evolution was that we kept evolving.
we can
And
say forget our culture.
no, for the sake of culture, we cannot kill the future. The future is more important.
Culture is feeding the roots, or culture is feeding the future.
You are saying that we